In this video, we will cover the trellising process. By the use of trellising, we make sure the seedlings grow securely and properly. Trellising supports the growing plant, as well as reduces contact of leaves with water and soil, which may cause rot and disease. The aim of trellising is to keep the plant upright in the air, to prevent green plant parts from being in contact with the soil. This needs to be done for several reasons. To support the weight of fruit-bearing branches, to prevent infection by diseases and pests from the soil, to aerate the plants, to expose the plant leaves to the sun, to prevent foliage from getting wet from irrigation water, and to improve leaf coverage of the fruits, preventing exposure of the fruits to direct sunlight. Every field requires a large quantity of trellising poles. It's necessary to understand the required amount of poles. A pole every 3 meters will sum to a total of 300 poles per 1,000 meters. You will need 2-meter-long poles, a hammer, and a trellising rope. 2 weeks before trellising, place a pole every 3 meters or every 6 plants. Make sure to align the poles with the plants while making sure not to damage the drip lines. Insert the poles 50 centimeters deep into the ground, ensuring that the poles are standing strong. It is recommended to start the trellising process before the plants start flowering. To do so, rope levels could be placed directly beneath each fruit cluster. At the end of each bed, insert a 50-centimeter peg at a 45-degree angle to support the poles as the plants grow larger and heavier. On each side of the plants, stretch a trellising line using a UV-protected rope and secure it to all the poles. All the plant branches should be in between the 2 lines. As the plants produce additional branches and leaves, add additional levels of trellising every 20 to 30 centimeters throughout the growth process. It is important to avoid breaking stems and branches, since it may increase the chances for disease. And always remember, stem up, branches out. In addition, be prepared for strong winds or heavy rains, which may topple the poles. Secure them with an additional pole and tighten the ropes. Now that the tomatoes are trellised, we will learn how to protect tomato plants from pests and disease. We wish you a successful season.